Vanity of Kalingaraj. In the ancient eastern lands of Bharat, nestled between the mighty rivers and the roaring seas, lay the prosperous kingdom of Kalinga. Its capital, Thosali, was a city of opulence, its palaces adorned with gemstones, its streets lined with sculptures, and its temples echoing with chantings to gods who had long since tired of human pride. At the helm of this glorious kingdom stood Rajendra Deva, the Kalingaraj, beloved by some, feared by many, and adorned by himself more than anyone else. Clad in silk robes embroidered with gold, his crown encrusted with rubies, Rajendra bathed in his reflection more than he did in the Ganges. The gods sculpted me with extra care. He often mused, his voice as smug as the mirrored pools he built across the palace gardens. But Rajendra's vanity was not confined to his appearance alone. He believed Kalinga to be the backbone of civilization, superior in art, wisdom, and war. He scoffed at the growing empire of Magadha to the west, where the young and the fierce emperor Ashoka was steadily expanding his realm. Let them build their walls, he would laugh. They are but shadows of our light. His court ministers dared not challenge him. Instead, poets sang of his charm, artists painted his likeness in temples, and dancers mimicked his gait in performances. But among them, only one dared to speak the truth. A court historian named Arya Vishwanath, an old man with eyes that had seen too much and lips that rarely spoke praise. My king, he once said, bowing low, a mirror shows only the surface. True beauty lies in how a ruler is remembered by those who suffer in silence. Rajendra frowned. Then let history remember me in gold, he snapped. For I will drown Kalinga in riches and carve my name into eternity. But history is a strange sculptor. In the 27th year of Rajendra's reign, Emperor Ashoka set his gaze upon Kalinga. When messengers brought news of Magadhan armies marching eastward, Rajendra laughed. He seeks to tame a lion with a reed. The war that followed was like no other. Kalinga's soldiers fought bravely, but they were no match for Ashoka's might and cunning. The rivers ran red, hills once green turned to ash, temples crumbled under catapults, and the songs of Thosali turned to wails. On the final day, Rajendra stood atop the palace balcony, staring at the flames that consumed the city. His crown had slipped, his robes were torn, his face, once the pride of stone carvings, was stained with soot and disbelief. Ashoka entered Thosali not with a roar, but in silence. He walked through the ruins, witnessing the cost of conquest, his heart turning from iron to sorrow. The carnage of Kalinga changed him forever. As for Rajendra, he was found kneeling before a shattered mirror, mumbling to his reflection, They will still sing of me, won't they? But history, ever honest, recorded him not as a hero, not as a sage, nor a great builder, but as a man whose vanity blinded a kingdom and invited his doom. And so the tale of the vanity of Kalingaraj lives on, not in gold or stone, but in whispers of what pride can destroy.